Sairam children, how are you? Today I am going to teach you the next topic of grammar. Before starting it, I would like to ask you something. Are you all missing your friends? Yes, you may be missing them. So, tell me how many friends you are having? You may be having many friends. You may be having many friends. But I have only one friend. I am having only one friend. Now here children, can you tell me the difference between both the words? That is one friend and many friends? Yes. Here they have added S. Here we have added S. Why we have added S? Because we are talking about many friends. We are not talking about one friend. When we are talking about many, that is more than one, we are adding S. There are also some words where we are adding different letters like ES, IES, VES. They all depend according to the naming words. But here you can see we have added S. That means we are talking about many friends. So today I am going to teach you what is one and many. Today I am going to teach you what is one and many. Okay. So one is nothing but in the singular form. Okay, that is in the singular form. Singular means what? Single. We are talking about only one object, or you can say naming word. One is nothing but one object, or you can say a singular form. And many is plural form, where we are talking about more than one object or a naming word. That is known as many. Okay. So, now I will show you some example. Here you can see one egg. You can see one egg. We are talking only about one egg. Okay. Now, on the other side you can see there are many eggs. There are many eggs. So, let us count it. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So, here you can see there are 10 eggs. So, how you will write it now? You will write like this, E-double-G? No. When you are talking about many, we are supposed to add S. So, here you can see I have added S. Okay. When you are talking about one object or one thing, there we are not supposed to add S. But when we are talking about many naming words or many objects, there we have to add S. Okay. So, here you can see add S to the naming word. That is, we are adding S to the naming word. Here you can see there is one cup. What is there? One cup. So, when we say one cup, that means here we are talking only about one cup. And on the other side you can see there are many cups. So let us count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 cups. So here they have added S. Here we have added S. So when we are talking about more than one, we are adding S. The next one. Here you can see one car. Here we are talking about one car. Okay, on the other side you can see. Let us count how many cars are there. 1, 2 and 3. How many cars are there? 3 cars. So how you are going to write? Yes, you are going to write C-A-R-S, cars. C-A-R-S, cars. Okay. Now the next one. Here you can see there is one cow. There is one cow. And on the opposite side you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 cows. So how you are supposed to write? Yes, C-O-W-S. C-O-W-S. Many cows. Okay. Now here we have finished the naming words where we are adding only S. Okay, here we have finished the naming words where we are adding only S. I would like to tell you now where you are supposed to add ES. Okay, there are some naming words. Okay, now I shall explain you when to add ES to get many. Okay, when the naming word ends with S, double S, X, CH and SH. Okay, so now you will see the end of the naming word. Okay, then only you will come to know that where you are supposed to add S and where you are supposed to add ES. So before adding anything, you will see the last letter, that is the ending letter. If the naming word ends with all these letters, that is S, double S, X, CH and SH, then you are supposed to add ES. You are supposed to add ES. Okay, let us see some more examples. Yes, here which picture it is? It is a bus. It is a bus. So here on the left side you can see it is a picture of one bus. You can see one bus. Okay. So here you can see the last word, it is ending with S. The last word is S. Okay. B-U-S. And when you have to make it in the plural form, that is in many, on the opposite side you can see there is more than one bus. More than one bus. So how you will write? I'll tell you how to write. Okay. See, buses. Okay. You are going to add ES. You are going to add ES. Here you can see I have added ES. Okay. After S I have added ES. Okay. So when you are making the plural form, that is many, that time you have to see whether the word is ending with which letter. Okay, it will help you. Here you can see one brush. You can see one brush. Again you can see here also the word is ending with SH. Here also the word is ending with SH. So same you have to write here same brush, that is BRUSH, and you will add ES. You will add ES because there is more than one brush. Because there is more than one brush. Okay, so many brushes. What you will write? Many brushes. The spelling is BRUSHES. Brushes. The next one. Can you tell me which place it is? Yes, it is a church. It is a church where the Christians go to pray. Okay, here on the left side you can see there is one church. There is one church. On the other side you can see there is two churches. Okay, so here also you are supposed to add ES. The spellings will be same. CHURCH. The spellings will be same, but at the ending you are going to add ES, that is churches. Okay. Now here we have finished with the word which is ending with S, double S, X, CH and SH. Okay. Now next I will tell you where you are supposed to add IES. Okay, where you are supposed to write IES. There are some naming words to which we add IES. Now how you will come to know that where you are supposed to add IES to get many? The naming word will end with Y. Here the naming word will end with Y. Okay, so there you will drop Y. You will remove that Y. By dropping Y means what? You will remove that Y and in its place, in Y's place, you will add IES. Okay, I will explain you children, don't worry. Okay, let us see those words. Here one ferry. One ferry. The spelling is FAIRY. Ferry. Here you can see the word is ending with Y. The word is ending with Y. So here we will drop. Here we will drop Y. That is, we will remove that Y. And on the other side you can see there are 1, 2, 3. 3 ferries. That is more than one. Many ferries. There is many ferries. So how you are supposed to write? You will write the same spelling, that is FAIR, and in the place of Y you will add IES. In the place of Y you will add IES. Got it? So it is very easy children. You have to just see to the last word, that is the ending word of the naming word. Okay, ending letter of the naming word. So it is easy for you. The next one. Here one baby. One baby. Okay, so here also the word is ending with Y. The word is ending with Y. And on the opposite side you can see two babies. Two babies. So here also you can see they have removed Y and added IES. They have added IES. So it has become many babies. The spelling is BABIES. Babies. Now the next one. Here you can see one lady. One lady. So again you can see the last word over here. See children, again and again I am telling you to see the last word. Why? Then only you will come to know which word you have to add there. Okay? Which letters you have to add there. So here also we have seen the last letter, that is Y. So it is ending with Y. So we will remove that Y and we will add IES. We are adding IES because there are more than one ladies. Because there are more than one ladies. Got it? Now I will tell you the next one. That where you are supposed to add VES. Okay? Now we are supposed to add VES. There are also some naming words. There are also some naming words to which we have to add VES to get many. To get many. So here we will see the last letter. Again we will see the last letter. That is, we will drop F, E and F. Okay? And let's see the examples. Here one wolf. One wolf. So you can see the word is ending with F. The word is ending with F. So again what we are going to do is we are going to remove F and we are going to add the VES. What we are going to add? We are going to add VES. So it will become wolves. It will become wolves. Here you can see we have added VES. Okay. So now it has become wolves. It is WOLVES. Wolves. Okay. Now the next one. One knife. One knife. Here you can see the word is ending with FE. Okay, the word is ending with FE. Okay, now when the word is ending with FE, what you are supposed to do? You are supposed to add VES. Okay, so on the other side you can see there is many knives. There is many knives. What is the spelling of knives? KNIVES. 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 Okay. Now the next one. One loaf. Here we are talking about one loaf. On the other side you can see there are more than one. On the other side you can see there is more than one. So what you are going to add? VES. So that is loaves. That is loaves. LOAVES. Okay. Now here we have finished our explanation. That is, I have explained you where you are supposed to add S, where you are supposed to add ES, and where you are supposed to add IES and VES. Okay. So always you will see the ending letter of the naming word. Ending letter of the naming word. Okay. Then it will be easy for you to understand. Okay. Now let us see how much we have understood the session. Okay. Now here I have made two columns, that is one and many. I have made two columns, one and many. Okay. So here on the left side I am going to write one word, that is goat. I have written a naming word, that is goat. Now what will be the plural form? That is many of goat, that is goats. We are going to add S. Goats. What we are adding? S. The next one. Pencil. Pencil. And many form will be, that is plural form will be pencils. Okay. Pencils. One dog. One dog. Many dogs. Many dogs. So here you can see I'm adding S. Apple. One apple. Many apples. Many apples. Okay, so here children you can see everywhere I have added S. Okay. Now the next one. Fox. What is given there? Fox. Here children, just see the last word. It is ending with X. The last letter, okay, is X. So, one fox and many, yes, foxes. One fox, many foxes. The next one. One glass. One glass. Many glasses. Many glasses. Here you can see the word is ending with double S. The word is ending with double S. So what you have added here? ES. What we have added? ES. The next one. Branch. The next one is branch. So again what we are adding there? It is ending with CH. It is ending with CH. So what we are adding there? Branches. ES. It is branches. ES. Okay. Bush. The last one is bush. Here you can see the word is ending with SH. The word is ending with SH. One bush. Many bushes. Many bushes. Again you can see we have added ES. Now in the first and second you can see we have added. We have not removed any letter. Okay. We have not removed any letter. We have just added S and ES according to the ending letter. Now the next one. Puppy. What is there? One puppy. So here the word is ending with Y. It is ending with Y. So when the word ends with Y, what you are supposed to add? IES. Puppies. You are supposed to add IES. Puppies. Okay. Now the next one. Fly. 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 Again here also you can see children. The word is ending with Y. So when the word is ending with Y, you are supposed to add IES. Yes. So here you can see FLIES. 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 The next one. Story. Story. Again here you can see the word is ending with Y. The word is ending with Y. So we are going to add IES, that is stories. That is stories. 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 The last one is city. The last one is city. So here again it is ending with Y. It is ending with Y. So again what we are going to add there? IES. Cities. 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 Okay. CITIES. Cities. So here what we have done? We have removed Y and we have added IES. We have removed Y. All the Y's we have removed. I will show you once again. All this Y we have removed and we have added here IES. You can see here children, I am showing you. We can, yes, you have added IES. Okay. Now the next one. Shelf. Here the word is shelf. Okay, so again here you can see it is ending with F. It is ending with F. So when the word is ending with F, we are supposed to add VES. We are supposed to add VES, that is shelves. That is shelves. Okay. See here VES. Okay. We have removed that F and we have added here VES. Okay. The next one, thief. The next one is thief. Again the word is ending with F. And here we have added thieves. VES. Okay, the spelling is THIEVES. 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 The next one, calf. Okay, here you can see it is F. Calf. Many calves. Many calves. Elf. Okay, one elf. Many elves. Many elves. So I hope you all have understood this session, children. Okay, one more time I will tell you that before making the naming word one to many, okay, we have to see the ending letters of the naming word. So it will help you to write whether you are supposed to ES, you are supposed to write ES or S, VES or IES. Okay. Thank you and take care, children.